Hola, buenos dias a todos. Hello, good morning again to everyone. This is Julio, your Spanish teacher for this Spanish language conversational course. Now, let's talk about interjections or las interjecciones in Espanol. Interjections are abrupt remarks that help you to express different emotions. They also help to improve your Spanish by making it sound more natural. Interjections are a fun part of Spanish grammar for beginners. They are short words or phrases, so they are easy to remember. Plus, native speakers will love hearing you use these natural Spanish sounds. So although in English this is not too important, but in Spanish, using these interjections will make you sound natural and native, particularly if you know how to use it in the right context. So in English, common interjections are alas, alrighty, shucks, while in Spanish, they have vale, Dios mío, venga, ay, and in a sentence, let's just use it. Venga, la maestra ya ha empezado la clase. Okay? Venga, la maestra ya ha empezado la clase. So, come on, the teacher already started class. So if we're a beginner in Spanish and we experience watching Spanish movies, for sure, we most of the time heard this kind of expressions. So let's say it again. Vale, Dios mío, venga, ay. These are some additional examples. We have hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Ouch, my foot hurts. So in English, we express pain, feeling of pain by saying ouch. In Spanish, we can say ay, me duele el pie. Ay, me duele el pie. Bravo, you did very well. It's exactly the same way in Spanish. Bravo. Bravo, lo hiciste muy bien. Bravo, lo hiciste muy bien. The pronunciation is just the different here. Then Spanish fillers, that is also useful as a beginner. So we cannot deny the fact that as a beginner, even if you're already a fluent speaker, you sometimes need to buy time to say something that you want to convey. So fillers is also useful in this scenario. So if English has fillers, there are also fillers in Spanish, and we have bueno or pues, that's well, a vir, let's see, o se, I mean, digamos, let's say, en realidad, actually. So again, in Spanish, when you don't want to say or to sound like a beginner and you're trying to think for the correct word, or you're trying to buy time, instead of using English filler words, use also Spanish fillers like this. So let's say it again. Bueno, pues, vir, o se, digamos, en realidad. For our activities and homework for this part, list 30 common interjections in Spanish and choose 8 from it with definition, then use it in a sentence. Example, come on or venga, expression of urgency. Come on, the teacher already started class. Venga, La maestra ya ha empezado la clase. Venga, la maestra ya ha empezado la clase. That's the example we used a while ago. Then, record yourself speaking the sentences you have created thrice. So that's all. I hope you learned something from it. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos. Adios.